Once upon a time, in a lab far, far away, two evil scientists met for the first time. They both shared a hate for humanity and decided to start an organization. The objective was to kill as many people as possible. Two undercover agents set out to stop the villains and to bring justice to their victims. And this begins the story of the Killer Chemist.
Are you prepared to be part of the Killer Chemist Corporation?
Yes.
Have you read the terms and conditions?
No.
Three hours later.
Okay. I've read the terms and conditions.
Please sign on the dotted line. Welcome, Dr. Ferguson.
Thank you, Dr. Oswald.
Interesting.
Enter.
Master, I heard them talking.
Who?
You know who?
Rise. You know what to do. You have trained for this your whole life. Go undercover and defeat them.
Your word is my command.
Day 2.
I can hear coughing inside.
It stopped. They're dead!
Run!
That was awesome. They died so fast.
I know, we killed that whole family.
How did you even do it?
Okay, well, I took coal, which is pretty much just pure carbon, and then I took vaporized H2O, which is water vapor and coal. So I mix the water vapor and the coal together, and when they mix, sometimes they react and they form pure hydrogen gas and carbon monoxide, and then we pumped it into the house.
Well, it was awesome.
That's how I made the carbon monoxide. Wait, who's that?
No idea.
Day 3.
Okay, Dr. Oswald, how are we going to kill our next victim?
Well, I've been researching polyatomic ions and came across an anion called cyanide. Have you ever heard of it?
Yes, actually, I've heard it smells like almonds.
I've also heard that. Well, it seems to be the perfect substance to kill people with, since it stops the cells from receiving oxygen, therefore shutting down the brain and the heart.
Wonderful.
But I don't know how we can use it.
I think we need a test subject.
Oh my gosh, I have such a headache.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
We could put it in Advil and sell it to millions.
Let's use her first. Let's try it. Okay, so first we have to open up the capsules and empty the Advil of its original contents.
Now we'll pour in the Cn negative, which is cyanide. It's a crystalline solid. Sometimes also a gas, but this form we're using a solid. That should be enough. Making my way downtown, walking fast, about to kill with some cyanide. La da 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 da. Ready?
I am.
All right, let's do it.
Oh my gosh, my head hurts so bad.
Really? Would you like some Advil from us strangers?
Yes, please. Do you guys smell almonds?
You must be imagining it.
We don't smell almonds.
We gotta go. Let's go. It worked!
Yes!
God.
Enter.
Boss, have you seen the news?
No. You know I don't have technology, so the government can't track me.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot.
What's happening?
Thousands across the nation are being killed by cyanide-injected Advil.
Do we know who's doing this?
I think we both know who's doing this. The Killer Chemists.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Chiquita Bananas here. Today we are going to talk to you about potassium in bananas.
Potassium is number 19 on the periodic table, and its symbol is K. Potassium is an alkali metal.
And it also helps athletes when they're running. It helps stop cramps, and it also reduces swelling. Potassium is something that you should always have in your diet, and the best way to get that is eat bananas.
We love potassium.
Day 4.
You know what, Dr. Oswald? I've been working on our last hurrah. You know, like that one thing that we're going to be remembered for.
I know, I've been thinking about it too, but I don't really have any ideas.
Well, I've been looking, and there's a nuclear power plant in Ukraine. It's called Chernobyl.
Well, looks like we're going to Ukraine.
Here's the control panel to the nuclear reactors.
Well, I've read up on it, and I figured out that if we change some dials and create more steam to be released when the heating rods are put in the cooling solution, then it will create too much steam and cause an explosion. So, let me just here and here. All right, we gotta get out.
We gotta
Let's
get
go.
out.
Boss, they've done it again. What now? They blew up the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. I need your help.
Let's do this.
Dr. Oswald, we killed so many people. The radiation, it's great.
The cancer, I can't even imagine. The tumors.
Freeze! Put your hands up.
How did you find us?
We've been following your every move.
We know about everything. This whole time.
Everything. All the deaths you've caused.
I said freeze!
Now you will pay.
No! We would have gotten away with this too if it weren't for you meddling kids. Ah! No!
Yes. Pleasure doing business with you.
So this ends the story of the killer chemist. Thank you for joining us, and have a good night.
Chernobyl.
Therefore killing them.
Oh, interesting. I've also heard it smells like almonds.
I have heard.
I have heard. I have heard. Do you need to use the bathroom, Brianna? I think it's right
I have heard.
Think of all those people we just killed. Think of all the cancer the radiation will cause. Oh, this is great. How did you find us?
We've been following your every move. This whole time? Yes. No. We know about everything.
What's happening now, Dr. Oswald?
No. We have to get out of here. This is for the family of the entire park. Shoot me. Shoot me, Dave. Why? That was good, Madeline. Why didn't you shoot me? Freeze! Put your hands up. I want to get out of it. Everyone's like, it's okay. Interesting.
I'm not pretty sure they're making me dinner, but we cannot have you in here because you're making
It's not for you. It's for them.
Okay.